Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great. It's me, Nikki, here to share with you my holiday prep as far as my barware organization in my kitchen. This is a series that I'm going to do. I'm going to take you through my home and share with you in different videos the different little hot spots that I'm purging and organizing to get ready for the holidays, starting with where I keep all of my barware, my glasses for drinking wine and cocktails. Not a big cocktail person, but do enjoy wine and enjoy serving wine when we have our guests. And so this cabinet needs some purging and reorganization, and I'm excited to share with you what I'm going to do to handle this today. So let's jump right in. Okay friends, so when purging my glassware, one thing that is important for me is to establish sets, because a lot of times when we have glasses and things like that, over the years, one gets broken, one gets lost, and before you know it, we have just a bunch of randoms, such as I have here. Now I've had these for a few years now, probably about 6 or 7 years now, but they're a set of 4, and it really does not serve a purpose, because when I'm entertaining, not often is it a service for 4, and I just think that it's not a best use for my household. And so these right here really need to be purged. I only have 1 of these left, and they came in a set of, I believe, 6, and now I'm down to 1, so it needs to go. I also have had these for several years, and although I have a lot of them, I really need to purge them down. I do want to keep my mini martinis, because I use these glasses not only for wines and things like that, but also to put desserts in. I've had these for so many years, probably 15, 20 years, but I only have 2 of them, and they're not serving me a good purpose. So I'm going to pare down to the ones I love. These I've had for about a year now, and these are the champagne flutes, and I also have the red wine goblets in this style, which I love. But the key here is I only have 2 of the red wine goblets, because when I purchased them last year, they only had 2, but I was going to hold out until I could find the other sets, and this was from Tuesday morning, and I figured they would have them again. So this is the reason why I would hold on to these. And you guys, guess what? I was in Tuesday morning the other day, and look what I found. They had these glasses, so I was able to then get a complete set. So now that the purging has happened, it's time to empty that cabinet and start with a clean slate. And this will help me sort out the different categories of glasses that I want to have on hand in my home. And so by doing that, it just makes it easy for me to arrange in the cabinet and have just kind of like my blank canvas. Now you all know these goblets here. I love them, but honestly, I only use them at certain times of the year, and even maybe not even every year. So I'm going to put these more with my holiday wear, because I feel like they're better fitting there instead of being kind of taking up real estate in this area here. But I do want to keep them because I do still utilize them. So then next, washing the glasses. Although they're in the cabinets, we're coming on the holidays, I want everything to be fresh, pristine, and just sparkling. So I put all of them in the dishwasher while I clean out the cabinet. So now it's time to move into that organization phase, and this is where I'm going to put all of the glassware that I'm keeping and organize it beautifully so that I'm ready for the holidays, ready for my guests, and ready just to have an organized barware cabinet. And so I had some plates made, and I went to my engraving shop and just had them made for each specific category of glassware, barware that I have. So one for champagne, one for white wine, one for red wine, and each area is labeled according to what glass is on that shelf, so that not only does this make it easy for my guests when they come to get a glass, it makes it easy for me to stay under control with my glassware, because clearly you see I do have a love for stemware. And so this helps me keep everything under control. I have just what I need, just what I want. They are in sets, and I even have a space here for one that I'm currently using on my tablescape, but it has a home here. And so I hope you all have enjoyed seeing my organization and refresh for the holidays. If you have any questions, please let me know. I will see you at the next video. And this is Nikki saying goodbye.